Hey guys, TC Sport Cots here. Today I just visited Ace Cafe for the first time ever, so yeah, that's cool in this polo. But yeah, pretty dead. It's incarnation night, so got 850 TR, ST500, a load of Fiestas to be fair, and a really nice S15 as well, and a WRX. So yeah, gonna head into central London now to see some supercars. So yeah, let's go. So then we're in central London and we got a Performante. Just started up, so yeah. So in London it's G-Wagon on G-Wagon, this one's fully blacked out, looks pretty sick. This is pretty nice, very nice wheels. 5-litre V8 Mustang. Front splitter, that's proper, that is. Proper sick. Here we are then, Aventador SVJ. What an absolute beast. Mate, this looks sick in the flesh. And a Urus, casual, another Urus as well. Look at the plate on that, oh man, this is actually mental. A little bit frosty. Madness, man. At the infamous Dorchester Hotel, got another Performante and a 458 Spider in there. But yeah, this Performante spec is bloody lovely. Oh, standard. This spec is mad. Fair play. Guys know, this guy knows how to spec a car. 458. Ooh, nice wheels. Very nice. Spider. Oh, shit. Okay then.
I bet he loves that car, parking and all that.
So guys, I am back home now. Honestly, mental night out. Went to Ace Cafe, saw that pretty nice S15 and a few other cars, Subaru, Volvo 850, a few Fiestas. That was pretty dead though. And then central London was just completely mad. Like it's just, I haven't been there since like 2015, and it was mad. Like literally, it was mad. Yeah, Aventador SVJ, Uruses, G-Wagon 4x4 squared, 488, 2 Hurricane Performantes, and I was only there for about like an hour. So yeah, that was pretty mad. Just a spontaneous trip to central London, as you do. But yeah, on a Wednesday night as well, like what the fuck. But yeah, I couldn't take my new video camera that I got, because I stupidly forgot my SD card. So yeah, always me. And also, there's a lot of content that I haven't been posting from recent meets and shoots because I lost my video camera. If you would have followed me on it, if you followed me on Instagram, you would have known. I lost it on a shoot, and I was so pissed off. Like literally, I was like, I was pissed off with myself so much. But yeah. Yeah, so that's where all that content's gone. That's why I haven't posted for 2 weeks on YouTube or whatnot. But yeah, just cheers for sticking with me. I've still been gaining subs and views, so that's sound. But yeah, big things coming very soon with this new video camera that's in my bag over there. But yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.